Amazon finds you never thought you needed. This is the azdome M550 3-channel dashcam. One camera for the front, one for the rear, and the other one's for the cabin. The time that we bought the camera, it retails for $169.99 and a 30% off coupon was available, so we only paid $129.99 including taxes. The camera has built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, collision detection, time-lapse, and motion detection parking mode. A 64 gig memory card comes in the box, but you can use up to 128 gigs for storage. azdome has their own app you can use to check on your saved videos. The only downside is you can only connect within 10 feet from the device. Here are the camera specs. It's a bang for your buck, and it's not only for Uber drivers but for personal use as well. Amazon link in the description box below.